Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to do a quick video about financing because it can be kind of intimidating sometimes and clear up a few common misconceptions. So one is that you shouldn't submit yourself to multiple banks to see if you can get a better interest rate. And you think that might hurt your credit. And while you will see multiple inquiries, it won't have any tangible effect on your credit going to 3 or 4 banks versus just one. You do have the right to shop. So after you make a few payments, your score is going to go up anyway. You'll have more substantial auto payment history, and the effect is going to be the same. So you do have the right to shop. Don't be scared of trying a couple lenders. We're partnered with a number that specialize in different credit situations, vehicles, etc., and very good at helping pick what is going to provide you with the most advantageous package. Second is that I have bad credit. I can't get a car. We work with all types of credit, and a number of factors go into what a bank will and won't approve. And my finance guys are really good at what they do, knowing which banks have what prerogatives in terms of credit, equity, etc., vehicle. And if you're looking for a car and credit's not in an ideal spot, we still have plenty of options to help you. So don't be scared to talk to us and let us know what you're looking to accomplish, and we can see what we can do to help. And we're very good at doing so. Third is, I'm stuck with a loan forever. Now right now, rates aren't the lowest they've ever been. They're higher than they were a couple of years ago, and we're finally starting to see a downslope. And it's a really exciting time to buy a car because there's some great prices available, being that rates are a little bit higher. Rates go up, prices go down. Rates go down, prices go up. And right now you can take advantage of some great incentives through the manufacturer, vehicle pricing, before they start to climb back down, and then we'll see prices inevitably come back up. And any bank that we work with will only have simple interest loans, meaning that at any point in time you can refinance or pay it off and you pay no prepayment penalties. So if you find the vehicle you love today and you're not in love with the interest rate, the great news is that a year and a half, whenever you find a better loan package, you can turn around and refinance, and that loan is completely dealt with. There's no penalties for paying it off early. So these are just a few things. Obviously there's plenty more questions you might have, and our finance team is here 6 days a week, ready to answer any questions you might have to help with whatever we need to do to get you into a vehicle that you're going to love at a payment that you're comfortable with. So call or stop by today.